Welcome to part 1 of our Turkish walking tour. We begin in the historic heart of the world, Istanbul. The Hagia Sophia stands as a breathtaking fusion of Christian and Islamic art, defining the city's skyline for centuries. Directly opposite, the Blue Mosque dazzles with 20,000 hand-painted tiles that give it its iconic name. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Beneath the streets, the Basilica Cistern hides a forest of marble columns and ancient Medusa heads. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Next, we navigate the vibrant maze of the Grand Bazaar, a sensory explosion of Turkish craftsmanship. Topkapi Palace offers a glimpse into the opulent lives of the Ottoman sultans who once ruled here. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content.